Hi there, I'm Brian. I am the founder and designer of the Flat Peak rooftop tent leveling mounts. We got ourselves a parking spot here at a campground next to a creek here in Colorado. It's my dog in the background. She's enjoying the view. What we're gonna do a short video, show you how to level this quickly. I'm gonna get on the top, show how it supports the weight, and then we'll take it down for you guys. We're not gonna open up the tent, just keep this video short. So you can see our front driver's side tire is a little bit higher than the rest of the vehicle, so we're going to be leveling this side and the back. To work our leveling mounts, there's a safety pin here that keeps these from opening while you're in the tent or driving down the road. So you pull that out and you'll push this handle in towards the body of the leveling mount to unlock our leveling mechanism. You're going to want to do this on every corner that you're going to want to move vertically. If you get stuck like that, just take a little bit of weight out from the tent. It could be stuck just because it's been rattling and it'll fit into or it'll get jammed up in a little spot. So you just gotta move some weight and they'll open nice and easy like that. To actually level the tent, to raise these up and down, take your hand, get a firm grip on the bottom of the tent and push up. Our lock is designed specifically to go fast. They're little hook locks made out of marine grade stainless steel. It's a safety mechanism. These won't come back down if you let go. There's a special way to get these to come back down. So we have this side probably a little higher than we need to be. So bring it down, you lift the handle up after you lift the tent, and you'll let it come back down into the slot prior to the height you're at. So we're one notch in on this side. We're going to raise this back corner. Actually, I think we're gonna leave that driver's side and rear corner where it's at. That looks pretty level. So to lock these back in, you always wanna lock them before you open your tent or you get inside of your tent to make sure that there's no movement when you're in the tent. It's a safety thing. To lock our leveling lock, you just pull the handle away from the body, so opposite of unlocking it. It's real easy. And then you'll stick that safety pin back in the hole. If you're having trouble with the safety pin, just give the tent a little bit of a rock and it'll line those holes up for you. I want to move around while Dan's giving you a close-up of that side. I'll lock this back corner. So these are all locked in. To check if they're locked in, push up on the tent, they shouldn't be able to go up. So I'm going to climb up. We don't have a ladder, so I'm going to use the side of the car if I can get up on it. Right here. So there's no movement. You can see the vehicle is what's rocking. There's a little bit of our roof rack movement there. So I'm shaking around on here as much as I can. You're nice and solid. We've tested this up to 1,500 pounds. We certify it up to 1,000 pounds because you shouldn't be putting that much more weight on your rooftop tent. Most tents aren't rated for more than that. So we're up. We're gonna take it down real quick. I've already kind of given you a preview of that. So you're gonna pull the safety pins one more time, get it in the unlocked position, push that latch, you'll bring it down, come over here. Sometimes you'll have to walk these one at a time down just because of that safety mechanism. It keeps this from coming down and slamming down on you, slamming down on your vehicle, any damage. We do have a lifetime warranty on these. So everything's made out of architectural aluminum and stainless steel. So if anything somehow rusts, if you're in a really salt water environment, we'll replace it. If anything bends, breaks, or somehow gets damaged, we will replace it for you. Just reach out to us. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions, please reach out. Our phone number is 630-815-9645, and our email is basecamp@flatpeakleveltent.com. You can find all of our stuff at www.flatpeakshop.com. Have a great day.